when you're buying maintenance, you are buying the access to a spare.
This is where the rubber meets the road, right? If you've engaged with a TPM provider, gone through all the due diligence of quoting and onboarding, what's their testing process for the hardware replacement? They might have a spare sitting on the shelf, but they deploy it and it's dead. Are they cycle testing those spares, bringing them back into a distribution center, retesting them and redeploying them? These are all critical things to ask. Can they actually give you a serial number level detail on that spare that's sitting on the shelf? Those are all very important questions, and oftentimes we see TPM providers cut corners, and they might have a small sparing ratio to a large install base that they're covering and then run short and not backfill. So what is our process for backfilling spares? Retesting. And can you, again, ensure that that license level is exactly what you have out deployed on a one-for-one basis?
I think that's a critical piece, right? If your third-party maintainer, even at the quoting phase, is more worried about invoicing details than they are about getting outputs from you, that's a huge red flag. And we say it kind of off the cuff here, but I think it's incredibly important. Serial level detail when it comes to sparing should be the rule, not the exception. In fact, that's something we have built into our portal. That's something that we just provide as standard. We hardly think about it anymore because that transparency is just the level that we hold ourselves to. But you'd be shocked because not all of our peers behave the same way.